one of the larger self-storage shows in the United States. It's national. There's a lot of regional shows that we also do, but this one you get a kind of a better mix of West Coast, East Coast, Central. It's important to us because we've been doing self-storage for quite a while, and we're one of the industry leaders in lighting in self-storage, and so it's important for us to be at these shows. We kind of be conspicuous by our absence. So actually every single one of these pictures in here is Consambi embedded. So we can control and dim these from a wireless platform, and that can give extra control to a storage customer. Well, we have marketed ourselves and driven our products and produced products just for the self-storage industry, tailored to the self-storage industry for the self-storage interior, exterior lighting, the unit lighting. We have a unit light that we developed just for self-storage.